I don't know if you guys have heard of real estate staging. Basically, people think that the interior design and home staging, what's the difference? There's actually a really big difference between the two. Staging really has to do specifically with real estate, what it takes to actually, draw buyers in, what they're looking for, making sure you have a proper walking path. And unfortunately, that term neutralize, you're trying to neutralize the house a little bit. So it's really appealing to a lot of people rather than very specific tastes of a home seller. And the interior design is really customized towards, what a particular client wants. Like if they're really into African safaris, they may have all these different kind of wild things in the property. But again, that's not necessarily going to work for everybody. So when we hire stagers, they're going to come out, again, make sure there's good traffic patterns for people to walk. And the whole point of staging is to make sure you focus in on the house and not so much on the knickknacks of the property. So, that's one of the recommendations we always make is to get your home staged. For the small investments that you put into it, you can get a huge return. You can typically get anywhere from 2.5–3% to even 5% more if you have the house staged professionally. What this basically does, it allows those buyers to get all excited about your house, especially in the market right now where there's so many people that are desperate for homes. It's going to make your house so much more attractive and probably look like the properties you see in magazines and on TV, and of course that's really creating the demand for a lot of the people that are out there. Some of the most important reasons why it is really important to get your house staged. This is what people are going to see when they look online. They're going to look at the photographs and make judgments on the property as to whether they want to move forward, actually getting an in-person look at the house or just kind of skip over it altogether. So not only will it show beautifully digitally online, so you can see it from the comfort of your own home, the photographs when you get there are going to be amazing. And of course, when you walk through the house, you're going to get that look and feel that usually, if there are two people buying it, one of the two absolutely has to have when they see it. They want it to look like the magazines. They want to be able to show it off to their friends, and it really, embeds the house into their dreams and allows them to kind of move forward and put really strong offers down on a property. So even with this crazy seller's market, being able to stage your house will put that much more money into your pocket. We always recommend it. Please feel free to reach out to me directly if you've got any questions about staging, or if you want to chat with my stager, I can certainly set that up as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Take care.